You don't need a big team, a fancy office, or even an agency to make money with AI. In fact, some of the most successful AI creators are doing it completely solo. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build and sell AI workflows without starting an agency, using tools you probably already know. Let's get into it. A lot of people believe that to profit from AI, you need to run a full-blown agency. But agencies come with overhead, constant client communication, and the stress of scaling a team. That's not for everyone, and it's not necessary. Instead, you can sell AI workflows directly as standalone digital products or microservices. These automations could be for lead generation, content repurposing, email outreach, or customer onboarding. Businesses crave tools that save time, and that's exactly what AI workflows do. Here's how to start in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Identify a repetitive task businesses hate doing. Step 2. Build a workflow using AI tools like Make, Zapier, or ChatGPT. Step 3. Document the setup with simple instructions. Step 4. Sell it on Gumroad, Ko-Fi, or directly through LinkedIn. Step 5. Scale it. Turn it into templates, bundles, or subscription offers. Here's a quick example. I built an AI workflow that qualifies leads using ChatGPT and stores them in Airtable. I sold it to 3 solopreneurs for $200 each. That's $600 from a system I built once. No meetings, no back and forth, just a plug-and-play product. Want to stand out? Niche down. Target specific groups like coaches, realtors, or content creators. Then, show how your automation solves their problems. A short Loom demo or clean landing page goes a long way. You don't need to be a developer or start an agency to make money with AI. Just one good idea, the right tools, and the will to build. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe.